Hello, friends! Let's sing a song about feelings today. Feelings are like colors, they brighten up our day. Let's see what they are and learn to feel okay. Ah! Sometimes we feel happy with a big bright smile. We jump and laugh and dance for a while. Happy feels like sunshine, warm and so bright. When you're happy, everything feels just right. Feelings, feelings all around. Feelings, feelings, let's make a sound. Happy, sad, excited, and scared. All our feelings should be shared. But sometimes we feel sad, and that's okay too. Tears might come, and it's what we do. When you're feeling sad, a hug can help you through. It's good to tell someone so they can help you too. Feelings, feelings, they come and go. Some are fast and some are slow. Sad or happy, it's all part of the game. Every feeling has a name. Sometimes we're scared, like of a big loud sound. Our heart beats fast, and we look all around. Scared is just a feeling, and it will pass by. Take a deep breath and give it a try. Feelings, feelings, it's okay to be scared. Share your feelings, show that you care. If you're scared, talk to someone near. It helps to share and makes it all clear. Then there's angry, when things don't go our way. Our face gets red, we don't know what to say. But we can calm down, count to 4. Take a deep breath and try to roar no more. If you feel angry, stomp your feet, but then calm down and find your beat. Feelings come and feelings go. Let's learn to handle them, take it slow. Sometimes we feel excited, like jumping in the air. Our heart feels light, like we haven't a care. Excitement is fun, like a day at the park. We smile so big, like a bright, happy spark. Feelings, feelings all day long. Feelings, feelings, they make us strong. Whether it's happy, sad, excited, or mad, talking about feelings makes us glad. Love is a feeling that's warm like the sun. It fills up our hearts and makes us feel like one. We hug and cuddle, show love every day. Tell those we care about in our own way. Feelings, feelings, love is here. Feelings, feelings, they all are dear. Love your family, love your friends. Share your love, it never ends. All of our feelings are special, you see. They help us know more about you and me. Happy, sad, scared, or mad. Feelings are important, and they're never bad. Feelings, feelings, let's give a cheer. Feelings, feelings, they help us stay near. We've learned our feelings, let's sing some more. Like, subscribe, and come explore. Thanks for singing with me today, friends. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and share with your friends. See you next time!